Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Friday. Welcome to the Gold Room. Today, for Friday, I am wearing my Mrs. Growth's Gold Room t-shirt from last year's field trip day. It's got everybody's little face on the shirt, and right now it's kind of reminding me of what our Google Meets look like. Everybody's little face on my computer screen. So pretending I'm in the Gold Room with all of my Gold Room friends this morning. Are you ready to get started with morning meeting? Here we go. Let's sing our days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Alrighty, friends, are you ready to help me read our days of the week? And remember to use our pointing power to stretch out those sounds all the time. It's your job. It's a kiddo job to be sounding out words, to be stretching out those beginning sounds. You know your letters and sounds. You know what sound Y makes, so it's a you job to stretch that out at the beginning of the word. Are you ready, friends? Here we go. Yeah. Yesterday was Thursday. Today is Friday. Look how I says its name. It's also a you job at this point in the year, friends, to be vowel flexing. And just to remind you, that is this strategy right here that we have been working on ever since we introduced silent E. That vowels make two sounds. They make the sound on the keyword chart and they say their name. So you've got to try out both sounds. It's a you job, right? Here we go. Tomorrow is at. I see at. I'm looking for parts that I know. I'm always using as many reading strategies as possible. Saturday. Very good. Are you ready to count how many days we've been in April? And remember, we're going to count the math way. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 hands, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to do our say 10 push-ups. 11, show me 11. 10, 1. Great job. Show me 12. 10, 2. Very good. Show me 13. Good job. 10, 3. Show me 14. 10, 4. Show me 15. 10, 5. Show me 16. That's right. 10, 6. And 16, one more is, that's right, 17. Here it is. Show me 17. All right, so for our parents at home, the Say 10 way is teaching the children that that 1 represents a whole group of 10. That when we look at it, we kind of have a hide the 0 going on, that we've got 10 and then the 7 is covering up the 0 in 10, so that 17 is constructed by 10 and 7 makes 17. So that's why we do those say 10 push-ups, so they understand the power of that 1, that it represents a full group of 10. All right, friends, are you, so now we need to read our news report. I was going to skip right over that. Silly me. So we put our 17 underneath Friday. So now we're going to put it all together to read our news report. Today is Friday, April 17th, 2020. Great job. So now we are ready to sing our weather song. Here we go. Weather watchers, what do you see? What do you see? Tell us what the weather's like. Tell us what the weather's like. Won't you please? Won't you please? So when I was just checking my weather before I came down to my home classroom, I saw that it was very cloudy out. I also noticed when I woke up this morning, there was more snow on the ground. Oh my goodness, I thought spring was here. What is going on? I think it's because it's so cold out. It's down in the low 30s this morning. So that means when precipitation comes down from the sky and it's so cold out, that rain turns into, that's right, snow. And the trees are still moving a bit. So let's put it all together. The season is spring. There's that ing. That was turning up a lot in a lot of the books that we've been reading, in the apple tree book, in the bee book. Ing is in there, and we've got a break apart strategy. Oh, here we go. That's on our strategy card. And it talks about breaking apart the word into smaller parts so that we could be looking for parts that we know, our sight word look, and then realizing there's another chunk that we know. Ing, I-N-G, says ing. Spring. The weather is cloudy, cold, and breezy. All right, so bundle up today. Enjoy looking at the snow. It's been melting kind of quickly over here at my house as it's starting to warm up a little bit. So maybe next week we'll have more spring-like weather and it'll feel more enjoyable when we go outside to play. All right, have a great Friday. Have a great weekend, boys and girls. Read lots, do some writing. Draw or write about seeing what your face looked like when you woke up and you looked out and you saw snow outside the window. Maybe put that seed experiment together that I showed you yesterday. I saw our friend Lily has already got hers going. So I'm very excited to hear the observations that she makes on that project. And I would love to hear from more of you. I miss you all so much. So keep in touch and I'll see you next Monday. Bye, boys and girls.